What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you on something for the 4Runner I've been waiting to get for a while. So I've got center caps for the Raise wheels TE37XTs. Don't really see too much of these on YouTube, so let's take a look. I will say the part number that I ordered these on is not on the label, so I'll throw that up on the screen for you. But you can see it says black chrome centerpiece, and this is for the Blast Black TE37XTs. There's no other labels or anything on the box. So here's the center cap. Comes packaged in just a plastic bag. Let's see what else is in the box. And directions. So let you look at these real quick. Now let's look at the center cap. They do look pretty sharp, I'm not gonna lie. So it is interesting. I was expecting these to clip into the wheel, but it looks like they're using this rubber O-ring to just kind of get a press fit. When I install these, I'll show you how that works. But yeah, these look really good. Alright guys, we're out here at the farm. I got the VOLK racing wheels off of the 4Runner. I've got microfiber towels to clean them off. That's going to be the first step. And I've got towels from the Rag Company. I'll post a link to those off Amazon. Those are probably my favorite ones for microfiber towels. I've got two rags, one soaked with water, the other dry just to finish it up. So right here, we're just going to start wiping them off, mainly the inside. So this will be the towel soaked with water. And then let's see what's on the back. That should be good though. And then I'm going to go over it with the dry towel, just to make sure it's all clean. And then I'll let that sit for a little bit, let it fully dry, and then get the center cap out. I think I'm gonna line it up so that the Raise is in line with the VOLK Racing, just like that. I've also heard that it could be in line with the valve stem, but for me, I think this is good enough. How this O-ring is right now, this is how I've been installing them, just on this ridge right here. You could probably roll it down right here so that it fits and sits there, but I think when you go to install it, it's going to be a pain in the butt because it'll just fall out, right? So I'm going to keep doing it with the O-ring rolled up here like this, and then put it in there like that. Once you know it's straight, just kind of use your thumbs to push it. It's a little weird, but doesn't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Can maybe tweak it a little bit, but yeah.